Hello and welcome to the presentation of Trends in Big Data. My name is Michael Eskenazi and I'm a graduate student at the University of Maryland University College. Let's get started. This presentation covers three trends in the industry of big data. Our three trends in big data are optimization, cybersecurity, and finally, counterterrorism. What will the future look like? Big data is any volume of information that is so big that we don't even know what is in it. Here we have a big computer in front of an even bigger night sky full of stars. Just like we know that there are planets out there, but we don't know exactly what they are like, we have lots and lots of data, but we don't know what is in it. Computers have a lot of data. What will the computers tell us? Here we have a clip from the movie Robot and Frank. Computers can be used to explore data and expand our knowledge about humanity's complex problems. Would you trust a computerized doctor if the machine said that your case was hopeless? Here we see a robot doctor looking very important in a lab coat. On the screen on its face, the robot doctor is giving a very negative outlook to a patient, saying, prognosis 0.0%. Most people would want a second opinion. Would you vote the way that a computer told you to vote? Here we see a photograph of a voter that has been hypnotized by the phone to obey the message and cast a vote. Wait, who is voting? The voter or the computer? If a robot police officer stopped you, would you comply? Even if you thought that you were doing nothing wrong? Here we have movie robots. If you were driving only 1 mile an hour over the speed limit, should you be arrested? Should your computer gamble with your money? Here we have two people with their retirement money giving an order to their computer to buy Enron stock. If you'll remember, Enron stock crashed, famously because of false accounting data. The computer refuses because it knows how to detect fraud. Let's look at medicine. Did you know? A computer already sits on the board of a medical company. The name of the company is Deep Knowledge Ventures. Is this just a marketing gimmick? Or does it reflect the fact that executives are using big data more and more often to make decisions? We have a picture here of Vladimir Putin. Selfies spread very quickly on social media. What would happen to people's opinions if a computer flooded social media with a wave of propaganda? Here we see a photo of RoboCop arresting a bad guy. A study by Terry Cummins Flory at Purdue found that only 9% of law enforcement agencies pay for digital forensics, but that 100% of prosecutors pay for digital forensics. If you are being prosecuted for a cybercrime, you might not have any evidence to prove your innocence. Here is a business person thinking about data. Can computers guess like people do? When a person has an idea, this person can ask a computer. If the person knows how to ask the computer about digging through the data in order to find relevant results, it might prove that the person's hunch is correct. So, where are the trends? Trend 1 is optimization. Here on the left, we see many math equations. On the right, we see a boardroom conference. In the case of hunches, data analytics can reveal new insights. We have powerful new computer hardware from IBM and NVIDIA, combined with software from Tableau, StatSoft, and MicroStrategy, just to name a few. Soon, everybody, not just big corporations, will be able to benefit from their data in the cloud using the technology of data analytics. Here we see a light switch on the left, a coffee pot in the middle, and a clothes washing machine on the right that are all connected to the internet. All of the products pictured here are on the market today. Since there is so much data, we need the help of computers to protect us from hackers or hacker robots. Here on the left, we see the logo for ISIS on Twitter. We can see these tweets flying out there and an eagle catching them. In order to fight terrorism, we must fight terrorist propaganda. ISIS is already using robots in order to flood Twitter with their message of death. The free world needs computers that help people see the terrorist threat before they have a chance to strike. The future will still belong to humans, but it will have humans that enhance their decisions and actions with the help of machines that can draw upon the vast data sets available today. Thank you for your time.